Good morning, children. Today we can discuss even and odd numbers. This is last part of our chapter, first chapter, even and odd numbers. You know the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The counting numbers, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That numbers counting. From that number, when we take these numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Do you know other than 0, these numbers have any specialty? Did you see these numbers in any multiplication table? This is the multiples of 2. Is it? 1, 2, 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So these numbers are the multiples of 2. That such numbers are called a name, that is even number, that you know, that you learned in second standard. And the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and these numbers are called odd numbers. So this is even numbers, and these numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, that numbers are called odd numbers. Okay, so if it is we want to find a 3-digit number or 4-digit number, we want to check that numbers are even or odd. Is it possible to multiply? It's the multiplication table of 2. You want to tell up to that numbers. It is not possible. So there is a rule for finding the number is even or odd. Okay, that we can discuss now. This you want to know well, which numbers are up to 10, which numbers are even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Next number will be that you know 10. Next 12, 14, 16. Okay, just like odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Next will be 11. Okay, then 13, 15, like that. Now I am writing some 4-digit numbers here. 4-digit or 3-digit numbers. First I write one 3-digit number. 452. Another 3-digit number 360. Next 751. Okay. Then another number 823. These numbers we want to know. We want to check these numbers are even or odd. Okay. Then what we want to check, you know, just first ones place digit. This ones place digit, all numbers ones place digit we want to check. Okay. Now we know this number 2. 2 we know that is an even number. So if the ones place digit of a number, if it is 2, then that number 452 also will be an even number. Just like 360, which is the ones place digit here, that is 0. That we know, 0 including which group? Even numbers. So what we can say, 360 also an even number. Just like next third number, what is the number name? 751. 751, which is the ones place digit? That is 1. 1 also including which group? 1 including which group? Odd numbers. So 751 will be an odd number. Just like 823. Ones place digit is 3. So that number is which number? 3 we know. 3 is in which group? Odd numbers. So 823 is also an odd number. So another 4-digit numbers we can select. All of you read this number. 4-digit number 1357. This number is even or odd. Which one we check? Which digit place? Which place want to check? Ones place only we want to check. All others don't care. Only care ones place digit. And check this digit 7. Is it in which group? Odd or even? That we know. 7 is in odd group. So that number 1357 is also an odd number. Okay. Then 2686. 2686, which is the ones place digit 6. So this number is 2686 also an even number. Another number 9352. Here ones place is 2. So 9352 is an even number. Okay. This is the way of checking and number. If you get one number and check the number is even or odd, which method you will use? We will check the ones place digit number. If the ones place digits are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that numbers are called even numbers. And if the ones place digits are 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then that numbers are called odd numbers. Now I give one question to you. I write 5 numbers here. 5 4-digit numbers I write. And we want to circle the even numbers only. Okay. Now 3571. Another number 3754. Then 703. And out of these 3 numbers, only we can check these 3 numbers. Round or circle the even numbers from these 3 numbers. Which will be that? First you check the ones place digit of the first number. If your ones place is 1, so it is not even. Now check the second number. Here the ones place is 4. That we know 4 is in which group? Even. So that number we can circle. Okay. Then third number is 6703. That ones place is 3. That is in not even group, that is odd group. Now if the question is circle the odd number, circle the odd numbers, then we check, write the numbers, given numbers in this 2483. Then another number 6102 and 8135. Out of these 3 numbers, circle the odd numbers. Then also we will check the first ones place digit here 3. So this is in which group? Odd. So that we can circle. Next number 6102. Ones place is 2. So it is not odd. 8135. This is the ones place digit 5. 5 is in which group? Odd. So that we can circle. All of you clear well? So even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the ones place digit are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that numbers are called even numbers. And if the ones place digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then that numbers are called odd numbers. Okay, thank you.